Let us learn about capital letter C with sentences. C says K. C for camel. Camel has a high hump. Camel is a big animal. C says K. C for cat. Cat is a pet animal. Baby cats are called kitten. C for cake. I like chocolate cake. Cake is available in many flavors. C for car. C says K. My father has a car. The car is a vehicle. C says K. C for candle. There are 10 candles. The candle flame is yellow.